Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday and I went out and I did some retail shopping. Don't mind these spots, they look like mold, but they're the glue coming through. It looks bad, but it's just the glue. Anyways, it's Saturday. I did a little retail shopping today, retail fall shopping. I mainly got things for Oakley, but I wanted to show you a couple things that I got for myself, and then I got some things for Scott. Oakley's in his crib right now. He is refusing to nap, so you'll probably hear him, but let me show you the cute things. I got a lot of things from H&M. So I got him this little knit sweater. It was $17.99. I got him, US 9. I thought this was 6 to 9 months, but it's US 9, which actually looks a little bit big, but I think it's gonna be really cute for the fall and winter. I got him this little plaid shirt, super cute. I got him 2 pairs of leggings. They were out of a lot of the pants, so that's mainly why I went in there, to get pants and onesies, and they were out of a lot of pants. But I got him these tan little ribbed leggings in light blue. I got him this little fox onesie in size 9 months. Then I got a white one, this little khaki tan one, and then this milky chocolate brown. So that's what I got for him. And then I ended up getting these green pants from Victoria's Secret. The leggings were 40% off, so I ended up getting these V crossover full length legging, very comfortable, and they were on sale. I also got this little, it's like a little turtleneck, $12.99 from H&M, very thin, but I thought that was kind of cute. So that's what I got from H&M. And then I got that from Victoria's Secret, and I also got underwear. So I got 5 pairs of underwear. Exciting, I know. I also got this. This was in the checkout area. It is Tease Cream Cloud. I'm obsessed with this. This is like a new favorite of mine. I smelled it in the car and I was like, this is my obsession. So I used to have the original Tease and Scott loved it, but this Cream Cloud is like sweeter and a little bit more like fall. So wow, you gotta smell this. If you haven't, you need it. Then I got Scott 3 Carhartt shirts. So I just went into Dick's Sporting Goods and I got him this one. This was the back of it, but I thought that looked cool. And then this, just a blue one with the Carhartt on the sleeve. And then I got him this one, which is a little bit different of a material. Large, extra large, because these shrink. So yeah, I got that. Underwear for me, leggings for me, and then some clothes for Oakley. He's just hanging out. I had to take him out of his crib because he was not having it. He refuses to nap. What are you doing? You playing with that ball? And Daddy's picking up some chicken and veggies that we're gonna have tonight for dinner. And I'm gonna try and take you guys with me for the next couple of days. I wanna do some fall festive things. I would love to do fall festive things, right, Puff? All right, I'm gonna put these things away, and I have to put all this stuff in the wash for Oakley. Good morning. I look crazy right now. I just self-tanned a little while ago, so I have to let this sit for at least like 2 to 4 hours before I rinse it off, so I look a little wild. But it is Wednesday, and I thought I would vlog today. Teddy has not been feeling that well today, and last night was like the first time that he started like acting like himself, a little bit more normal. But I was really scared. I like cried almost all day, like a couple days ago, because I was like, oh my god, if he doesn't get better, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I was just concerned because he is getting older. He's 11, and I was seeing everyone else's dogs on Instagram and YouTube like pass away, and there was a lot. It just like all happened at once. It was Desi. It was, who else was it? I think it was a couple of girls I went to high school with. And then it was someone else. And I was just like, oh, it was Gabby. And I was like, why am I seeing this at the exact same time that Teddy isn't feeling well? And it was making me really nervous. But luckily he's feeling better. And I'm just going to keep an eye on him over the next couple of days. He's still eating and drinking and everything. He just was like laying down and not wanting to like move. And I was like, what's going on? But anyways, he is feeling better. So I decided to pick up my camera today and take you guys with me, which I'm just really going to deep clean this place. So I thought I would clean with you because I haven't cleaned in a while, like on camera. And I'm also, surprise, surprise, picking up a Target pickup order. I had to get some, Did you cry? I had to get some formula, some more formula, and some more diapers for our trip that we're going on. And yeah, I had to get a couple of things. I got like sweaters, and I got one sweater and a couple of shirts. I don't know. So I'll take you guys with me today. But yeah, I need to clean, and I think I'm gonna leave soon to pick up the Target order with Oakley. I'm gonna feed him and whatnot first though. So here we go. Happy Wednesday. Starting off our day with Pumpkin. Do you love Pumpkin? Who's that baby? Yeah. Alright, so we are out and about. I have Hey Baby Bear Sensory on for him on my phone because he started freaking out. And literally, if you have a baby and you need something to calm them down, Hey Baby Bear Sensory on YouTube works every time. So he's watching that. I'm gonna take it away in a minute though, because I'm gonna scan my stars and I'm hoping that he'll just fall asleep. He might get a little bit upset. I'm gonna try and take it away now. Oh, let me move up first. I'm gonna pause it for a second, honey. Oh, he's mad. He is mad. But I just wanted to get a coffee. Oh my God, he has the saddest face. It's okay, honey. Oh, I know. It's okay.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I please have a grande pumpkin cream cold brew with extra cold foam?
Anything else?
That's gonna be it.
That's only $5 only.
Thank you. Panic. All right, honey, I'm gonna give it back to you. Actually, do you want to just listen to it like this? You can hear it like this too. Yay! Okay, sometimes if he just listens to it, we're fine. But this is chaotic, absolute chaotic. I'll have to show you guys my things when we get back, or maybe if he's sleeping in the car and I'm parked. But I'm gonna get my coffee. So I have my pumpkin cream cold brew. I just put Oakley down for a nap. I'm here with Puffin, who's feeling better. I love when that tail wags. That makes me so happy. It does, Puff. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up getting at Target. I had to get a big thing of diapers. It's not super big, but I'm bringing that with us on our trip. I got these slippers. How cute are these? I actually didn't really have slippers. I had one pair Ugg slippers, but they had a platform and it's kind of hard to walk, and I just really wanted comfy slip-on slippers. So these were only $15. So I got these, super cute. What are you looking for? I also got another thing of diapers, just like a smaller pack. I got this, but they actually gave me the wrong one. I wanted the Pro Sensitive, because that's the one that, oh, excuse you. You didn't lick that, did you? I hope not. Oakley has Pro Sensitive, so he has this one, which is the orange lettering, and they gave me the wrong one. And of course, the Pro Sensitive is now sold out, so yeah, I'm gonna have to return this. I also got my nails done last night for Lindsay's wedding. And then I got this for Oakley for the car ride, because he really likes keys. And then I got this for me and Scott. I got this nail polish because I'm not going to get a pedicure. I'm just going to do my own toes. Teddy, what are you doing? So I got this for my toes. And then I got clothes. So I just got this sweater and a couple of shirts. I'm actually going to try these on with you guys and see how they look, because hopefully they look good. What are you looking for, Puffin? Please don't lick that, okay? All right, Mommy's going to try these on, okay? Oh, and I got Listerine, which I only asked for one of them, but they gave two. These are for Scott. Oh, actually, I don't even think I got this kind. I got a different kind, but oh well. Scott likes Listerine, so I guess we have a travel one and a full thing. So the first shirt I got Just looks like this. This was only $5 from Wild Fable, and it's just a little crop top. I got it in a size small, and I think it's so cute. I needed more tops that I could wear with like high-waisted jeans. So I got this, and it's a olive dark green. I thought this would be pretty with just like a big cardigan or just black jeans. So this is the first thing that I picked up. Okay, next I have this like camel top. I really like the color of this. It's just a caramel brown, and this again was $5. So this one's more of a full length. Got it in a size small, $5. I feel like this one is a little bit see-through, but this one is just a high neck mustardy caramel brown. I got this one in a size medium, and this was $8. I forgot the brand. Oh, A New Day. So this is what this one looks like, and I'm going to try on that cardigan. Okay, I'm going to live in this cardigan. I probably could have gotten this in a size small, but this is a size medium, and it's really, really pretty, and it's cozy and comfy, but I probably could have gotten it in a small. And also these slippers are so cute, but I probably could have gone up a size. I got a medium because it said 7'8", and I'm a 7.5". But without socks, they like slide off my feet, and I cannot stand that. So I don't know if I should return these and get a bigger size. Like, they're very comfortable, but I don't want them falling off my feet. That would defeat the purpose. But yeah, the sweater, definitely a win. I'm like, should I get a small instead? I don't know. I love it, but is it too big? I don't know. Say I'm awake. Say good morning, good morning, good morning. We had a half-hour nap. That wasn't long enough. That wasn't long enough. All right, I gotta clean. I gotta clean. So you gotta play, okay? You gonna play? All right. Meal for champions right here. Just a frozen lunch. Surprisingly, pretty good. Okay, we're going on some time that this self-tanner is just like sitting on my body. I need to shower, but it's a little bit more difficult when you have a baby. So I'm gonna finish my meal, and then I'm gonna feed him. So this might just sit for extra long because he just took a 30-minute nap, so we love that. I have to clean the kitchen next. So I think he's pretty preoccupied with his new keys. Seems to really like them. So, what do you think? So that's the plan. I have a lot to do. I have to pack. I have to get ready for Lindsay's wedding. Scott's gonna pick up the dry cleaning today. And I have to do my toes, which again, you would think would take like 2 minutes. With a baby, I don't know when I'm gonna do my toes. It's gonna have to be tonight when you're sleeping or something. All right, I'm gonna finish eating this, drink some water, clean the kitchen, feed him, all that. say because I am. I'm so heavy. Okay, I think I'm going to end my vlog now because I still have so much to do. So, oh man, either I'm really tan or you're really washed out. Let's take a step back here. I have to finish cleaning and just do a bunch of things today, so I'm gonna stop my vlog now just because it's a little too much to do, right? My hair looks absolutely insane. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you all in my next one, which hopefully should be next Sunday or Monday. So we will see you then. Say bye. Bye, cutie.